for us to have the life we never had, we need to do first the things we never did. It's been 36 days since I've started this journey. Sobrang laki na din talaga ng in-improve ng life ko. First is mentally, I would say na di pa ako ganong kagaling sa content creation, sa storytelling, sa editing, and I'm still exploring my side hustle and still trying to achieve 6,183 pesos per day, which is our main goal to reach our dream life. Sobrang proud ako sa sarili ko na I started despite of being camera shy. Di talaga ako mahilig sa mga pictures, and to be honest, I only open up sa mga taong malalapit lang sa akin. I've got trust issues and I keep myself in private. If you're one of my friends, alam mo yung sinasabi ko. Alam niyo to na nag-o-open lang talaga ako sa mga taong taon ko lang nakakasama, and it's achievement for me to share my journey with you guys. Sa Facebook, nag-start tayo as 0 followers, but now 56 na tayo. And sa TikTok naman, I remember 2 weeks na but my followers is stagnant and 19 followers lang. Lahat kaibigan ko pa. But now, nasa 800 plus na. And to tell you the truth guys, sobrang saya ko kasi beyond that increase in followers, ang dami lang nangyari sa life ko. Yung nagkaroon ako ng mini studio and set up for my content creation. Masaya ako, even though di naman ganun ka high class, I think of it na di lang basta material na bagay, pero tinitignan ko siya as motivation to keep me on pushing even though I can do it with or without the setup. Iniisip ko pa din na si Lord, pinoprovide niya talaga lahat ng inputs and lahat ng kailangan mo as long as desidido ka talaga. Kaya kung gusto mong mag-start, magsimula ka. And sa maiksing time na sinimulan ko ito, na-encourage din ako to start calorie deficit. 5 days na ako na no rice but pure eggs and any source of protein, less carbohydrates, and foods na matataas sa sugar content. Nabawasan na din yung brain fog ko kasi di na ako nagra-rice, mas nakafocus na ako on things that I need to focus. And for the last 2 weeks, nagkaroon talaga ako ng malalang ubo at sipon. But since I started calorie deficit, naramdaman kong mas bumuti yung pakiramdam ko. I don't know if may scientific explanation behind that. Nag-take na din ako ng supplements, vitamin C para mas maging healthy at di sakitin, at pampaganda na din ng balat. As of now, i-gatekeep ko muna. Tsaka ako ipopromote guys kapag nakita ko yung results sa sarili ko. Mas nag-improve na din ako when it comes to the way how I will present myself to other people or my clients. I do wear accessories and wear my perfume para mas maging presentable tayo. I think mas nag-increase yung self-awareness natin nitong mga nagdaan. Di ko ginagawa lahat ng to impress or kung ano pa man, but to help my younger self. I want to be proud of the way how I carry myself as a man. And para na din sa baby ko, I want to be the best me and to set an example na din. Alam ko na mai-reach out ko yung dream life ko, but in order to achieve it, need ko i-improve lahat ng aspect ng life ko to open more opportunities and to be suitable for the life that I want. Ngayon pa lang, excited na ako kung saan tayo dadalhin ng journey na to. Sabihin niyo ako guys, let's promote self-improvement to make us not just to become a man, but become a high-value man. If you want to start your self-improvement journey, lahat ng kakailanganin mo, nilagay ko na sa yellow basket. I-check mo na lang. And if need mo ng help on how to start your content creation journey, I will provide you 6 steps on how to start your content creation journey ebook for free. Comment ka lang ng W sa comment box and I'll send you the link. That's it for my day 36 of Project Dream Life and still trying to earn 6,183 pesos per day. And as always, I'm rooting for you.